In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a collaborator on HubSpot. First, you need to log into HubSpot. Open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once there, enter your credentials, your email address and password. After logging in, you will be taken to your HubSpot dashboard. This is where you manage all your marketing and sales tools. Logging in is crucial because it gives you access to your account settings and features. You should see a welcome message or a view of your current projects. Next, locate the settings icon. It looks like a gear and is typically found in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Click on this settings icon to access the configuration options for your HubSpot account. By clicking this icon, you open a menu that allows you to manage account settings, users, permissions, and more. This is an important step because it is the gateway to customizing your HubSpot experience. In the left sidebar of the settings page, look for the option that says Users and Teams. Click on it to view all the current users associated with your account. This section is essential because it allows you to oversee who has access to your HubSpot tools. You can see existing users and their roles, which helps maintain security and efficiency in your team. Now, click the button that says Create User, or if you are adding to a team, you may see an option that says Add User. This button is usually located at the top right of the Users and Teams page. Clicking this will initiate the process of adding a new collaborator. It's important to select the correct option because this ensures you are adding a user properly, whether it's a new member or an existing team member. Next, you will need to enter the person's email address. Make sure you input the correct email so that the invite reaches the intended recipient. This email address will be used for sending the invitation and for the new user to log in. Accuracy is key here. A small typo can prevent them from joining your HubSpot account. Once you've entered the email address, click Next. This action takes you to the permissions setup page. It is important because you need to ensure that the new user has the appropriate access to the tools and information they need. You will see confirmation of the email you entered, so double-check that it's correct before proceeding. Now, choose the appropriate permission set for the user or customize their permissions. HubSpot provides various permission sets based on different roles like admin, editor, or viewer. Selecting the right permissions is essential as it determines what the user can and cannot do within the HubSpot platform. You want to give them enough access to perform their tasks without compromising sensitive information. After setting the permissions, click Next to review the settings you've configured. This is your chance to double-check everything before sending the invitation. Take a moment to ensure that the email address and permissions are correct. This review step prevents potential issues and saves time later on. Finally, click Send to dispatch the invitation to the new user. Once you do this, HubSpot will send an email to the provided address, inviting them to join your account. This step completes the process, and you will see a confirmation message indicating that the invitation has been sent. Your new collaborator will now be able to join your HubSpot workspace and contribute to your projects.